back at it again. We are going into the greenhouse to get our sunflower seeds that we started on a paper towel. I usually do it like this to make that seed come on out of the shell. So as you can see, we got some little seedlings popping out of there, or some sprouts, or whatever you want to call them. So we're going to take them, plant them in our containers that we saved from old pots that we bought, or plants that we bought. So here we go. Got those there. And we are just gonna fill them like 75% full of soil and then lay the sunflower seedlings on top. So here we go. All right, so we are taking them out of the paper towel. Let's see how beautiful these babies are. Look at that. See the little tails on them? They are ready to go in some soil, y'all. So I always plant them tail down into the soil and give it a nice little cover. That one is jumping out of the paper towel, is so ready to get into some soil and blossom. So when you do it this way, it just causes the sunflower to just go ahead and grow for you. You can start it from just seed without the paper towel method, but I just figured that or found that they grow faster this way. So this is the way I like to do them. Now these two didn't quite pop out, but we're gonna give them a chance and still plant them. All right, that's it. All right, so now that we've got our sunflower seeds in the soil, I just want to cover them up with just another light layer of soil on the top. Not too much to where you're suffering them, but just enough to give them some room to grow out of. So we're just sprinkling a little more soil on the top. Okay, stay tuned. We'll be checking back in once we get some sprouts out of them. I love sunflowers, they make me so happy. All right, as you can see, we usually do signage on everything, but we don't have to waste time on signing these sunflowers because within a few weeks they are going to be out and popping and ready to go into the ground. We also went through and watered the seedlings. That is a very important step. Once you introduce them to their new home, they do need water to settle in. So we have already done that part, and we'll check back with these babies in a few weeks. All right, YouTube fam, it's me and DJ checking in. We're getting ready to go into this greenhouse and see what our sunflowers have done. It hasn't been a week yet, but they should be ready to go into the ground. Let's see. Oh, you okay? Here we go. And there they are. 6 out of 9 have popped on out of the soil for us. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in the ground. They're ready for their new home. So let's do it. All right, so Mr. DJ is dumped it out of the container and he's just putting it right on in the ground. That's a little deep, but it's fine. We'll just cover it with a little dirt. And yeah, we take it off. Okay, these are sunflowers that I planted just a few months ago, and as you can see, they are already waist height, and I'm 5'7". So these are gonna be some big mamas, okay? These are our mammoth sunflowers, so stay tuned. They really don't come out until fall, so we've got a little more time. They're supposed to get up to 10 feet tall, so stay tuned. Around with the ground and the deer, we putting our tomato plants. Oh, what happened? Whoops. We putting our tomato plants in the greenhouse, y'all. We ain't feeding the deer and birds and all that. Not our tomatoes. Anything else, not the tomatoes, right, DJ?
Everything.
Smile. Say hi.
Hi.
Sorry, we forgot to record an outro, but be sure to like, subscribe, or comment and let us know what you think.